As we all know, pain is very distracting. We're trying to go through our day, do our work, enjoy the people that we love, but honestly, pain really does pull our attention away from all of those things. The good news is that there are specific essential oils that are really effective at reducing pain. Let me show you. Hi, I'm Andrea Bouget. I'm the founder of Aromatherapy Institute. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're gonna make a blend called Spice Up the Pain Relief, okay? And it is such a great blend for any kind of physical pain, maybe a neck ache, shoulder aches, back ache, maybe you have an injury. You're gonna love this. It's a 1 ounce blend and 30 ml, and it's in trauma oil. And for those of you that aren't familiar with trauma oil, it's a wonderful carrier for essential oils that is good at reducing inflammation and pain. And it's made with arnica flowers, St. John's wort flowers, and calendula flowers. And it's a really nice carrier. So we're gonna put the carrier oil in first. I have a 1 ounce pretty cobalt blue bottle, and I'm just gonna simply pour the trauma oil right into this bottle. And then I'm gonna add my drops of essential oil. So in this blend today, we're using ginger essential oil, myrrh essential oil, and we're using the beautiful orange, okay? So ginger, we're gonna put in 7 drops of ginger. It's just so vibrant. Now, ginger is amazing for pain. I'm not sure if you knew that, because most people think of ginger as a very wonderful oil for digestion or for nausea, right? But it is also really good at calming pain. So I'm going to add 7 drops into this bottle of trauma oil. There we go. And it smells exactly like ginger. It's so refreshing and uplifting. If you like ginger, you're going to love this aroma. Then we're going to add 5 drops of myrrh, okay? So myrrh is a grounding essential oil. It's wonderful for helping reduce swelling, and it smells very earthy, very resinous, like something that you just feel nourished by. So I'm gonna add 5 drops of myrrh into this blend. Myrrh's a little thicker, so it takes longer. You see how slow the drops come out? That's 3, 4, 5. Okay. That's a great combination. Myrrh and ginger just work so beautifully together. And then from an aromatic perspective, you put in some drops of orange, and it's beautiful. So we have 6 drops of orange. Now, orange, a lot of times people don't realize that the citruses are also good for pain. Orange in particular is really good if there's tightness, muscle spasms, if things feel constricted or restricted. Orange is great. Plus, it's just so happy. Like, it's just this burst of joy, the aroma. I love it. Okay, so we're gonna put in our 6 drops, and now orange comes out fast. Look at that, 6 drops already. So great, what a beautiful aromatic combination. Oops, and here we go. Just give it a gentle shake, and now you have really spiced up the pain relief, and you can apply this anywhere on your body where you're feeling pain. I really hope it helps. And if you enjoy this video and you love blending, I have 2 suggestions for you. One is that I make a new blending video every 2 weeks. So if you subscribe, just click the subscribe button, then you'll get alerted every 2 weeks to my new essential oil videos. My other idea for you is that I've created a free online class at Aromatherapy Institute. It's called Introduction to Essential Oils, and I teach you how to make all different kinds of blends in the class. And yep, it's free. So you can just click the link in the description below and sign right up, and you can take the class, and I think you'll love it. All right, I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.